name is Siddhartha and 4 people live in this house. In terms of profession, I am a chartered civil engineer from IC UK.
My name is Preeti and I am an electrical engineer who run an organization in field of engineering design consultancy. So I am a director of operations for ECSL.
In terms of interiors, what we were looking for is like we wanted open space and some elegant design in our house. We went for consultation, but somehow that one-to-one attention which is given by the Bonito was setting them apart from others. So then we didn't have any confusion like where we should go.
Bonito design team understood our requirement very well and they came up with the multiple design options and we choose from those options.
We spent quite a good time with Bonito team to understand and implement the design requirement.
The best point with Bonito is whatever they show during the 3D visualization, that exactly you get during the execution. They let you curate your own design. I mean, when it comes to designing your home, we have in our mind for each and every corner of the house. The way they were communicating was really well, because they were letting us know in advance when we need to come, we need to check the things, and as a working professional it is very important for us to know.
In terms of me, my favorite corner is of course my master bedroom and the balcony attached with it, the space which is there. So I spend a lot of time with myself and with my family there.
Favorite corner of the house for me, it is kitchen and temple, and those two corners are designed by Bonito team really well. The way we explained, exactly they designed in the same way.
I like the whole room because it has every space where I get to do dance.
When people come, people do ask us from where we get it done, so the work is speaking for itself. I will say 9, thanks to Bonito.